ever found a jacket that fits me the way I want it to? No. The main reason is because I'm really short, but that is why God made me know how to sew, right? So today I'm going to be making my perfect cropped jacket. Most jacket that I find hit me at the hip while they're supposed to hit me at my waist, and that makes me look really weird. So I'm going to be using the Carya Top pattern by Mood Fabrics to make this garment. But the thing is, this pattern also hits me at my hips. So I'm going to adjust it so that it hits me at my waist where I want it to. And after adjusting that is the length, I'm going to be using the scrap fabrics that I have that are so many. As you can see, these are the scraps that I have for this project, not all the scraps. So I have this white kind of denim fabric that I used to make a top for my school project. I have this floral fabric. I also have this jean pink fabric right here, and that is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to cut up my pieces where I want them to hit. So this pattern comes in size 32 all the way to size 56, and I cut up size 40, which the body measurements are 40 inches for the bust, waist is 34.5, hips is 39.5. Now those are not my measurements. I cut that so that it's baggy enough. I will have like a really big allowance, and that is what I want. So let's get into cutting everything. Every single piece is cut out, and I'm really excited for you to see how I placed everything. Now I'm going to start with the details. The first detail is the yoke. The yoke I cut out of this beautiful floral fabric, and I'm at crossroads whether I should have this, which has a complete flower, as the right side, or I should have this that has multiple half flowers as the outer layer. Comment what you would have done in the comments. I know this is already complete, but I would like to see how you would have done it. The next detail is the collar. I did not have enough fabric for the collar, so I had different pieces. So I have a pink collar and a floral collar, and I'm going to attach them at the center back so that I can have a complete collar. And the reason as to why I have not interfaced the collar yet, it's because I have to join it first at the center back and then interface. So I'll do that later. The last detail is not the last detail. The other detail are the pockets, and I have two pockets, one for the left and the other one for the right front. So I have one in the floral and I have one in the pink. How this jacket ended up having so much pink, I have no idea, but again, love it. The last detail are the sleeves, and now for the sleeves I interfaced everything so that I have like that structure that jackets usually have. So I have a white and a pink sleeve. Really excited to see how that turns out. I was really staying away from a white sleeve because of the cuff area, but I could not avoid it because I did not have that much fabric with the other color. So those are the sleeves. Now for the other main body parts, I also interfaced. That is the two front pieces. So I have one front piece that has this beautiful design that is going to be cut in half, unfortunately, once I fold in that facing, but it's still cute. The other side is white. This is the other side, so this is how it looks on the right side. That is the front, and the back is a complete pink piece that I love so much. I also went ahead and cut out lining pieces. So I have two lining pieces for the sleeves. I went with white because it's the most dominant color, and I think it goes well with the pink as well. So I have my two sleeve lining pieces, and I have the back lining pieces. Now my lining was not enough, so I ended up cutting two back pieces that I'm going to be joining at the center back. And then the last lining piece is the front lining piece. Now the main piece has a facing, as you saw, So I cut out that entire part of the facing out of the lining, and this is the lining that I ended up with. Really cute, and everything is done. I did not interface the lining so that I have some sort of flexibility in there. So now let's get to the sewing. I'm going to start up by joining up that collar, interfacing it, adding up the pockets at the front, and then fixing the back so that it's complete. That is joining the back to the back yokes, and then I can figure out everything from there. As I said, I was going to join the collar, so I've done that, and I also interfaced this side because it's the weaker one. So I'm going to put this aside until it's time to join up the collar. I'm going to start off with the facing. My pockets are well attached. I had some issues with my sewing machine, but I kind of figured that out. But yeah, this is how one pocket looks like, and this is how the other pocket looks like. Really excited for all of this. Now let me attach the back to the yokes.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been.
Okay, so my back pieces are attached, and I went ahead and top stitched. Not sure if it's that visible, but I have the main piece or the shell and the lining. Now, the way I'm moving from here is a little bit different because I now want to join the side seams. That is right sides facing for the shell as well as the lining. Having joined the side seams for both the shell and the lining, the next stage, I think it's only right if I attach the lining to the shell, and that is at these facings over here. My jacket is looking like a jacket, so this is the inside of the jacket. As you can see, this is the facing area. It looks really nice. And now I want to stop with this or put this aside first and work on the sleeves so that I attach everything at the cuff, and then I can now come in and attach it, sandwich it in here. So I'm grabbing the two shells and the lining. So I'm just going to be attaching the lining at the hem, and then I'm going to sew everything else aside. So I'll first attach this at this hem right here, which is the sleeve, the side sleeve seam, and then I will attach the lining at the bottom so that it goes inwards. Let me just do it so that I can show you.
the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
Okay, so since my sleeves are already prepared, as you saw, I had this turnover over here. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. This part I'm just going to slip stitch. I'm not going to use a sewing machine. So this is going to stay like that for a while until I'm done with the jacket. So turning everything right side out. This is how it's supposed to look. As you can see, it's nice and complete. It doesn't have any raw edges, and just in case I want to have like a turnover, I can have the turnover and I will not have the lining peeking. That is why I did this type of cuff at the end. So now let me figure out the rest. I have got me a vest. I have my shoulders attached and this is how it looks from the inside. Really clean, if I say so myself. It looks really pretty, as you can see. And I'm not going to top stitch this part because I first want to sandwich the sleeve in here, and that's why I actually went with this method of attaching the shoulders. This is the other side, this is on the inside, and this is on the outside. I really think it's pretty, so let me sandwich the sleeve and stitch it in place, and I will have the collar and the hem left. I first went ahead and attached the collar, and this is how it looks. I think it turned out really amazing. I love it, and this is the only space that is left at the lapel, and it can fold like that, and it came out really amazing the way I wanted it to be. This is the side I wanted to be on top. Now for the sleeves, I'm just going to attach them normally, because if I sandwich them, I'm just going to be fighting with this fabric and it's not the time to fight. So I'm just going to attach it normally, and then I'm going to serge or overlock the edge. But before I do that, because I'll have closed every single opening that I would use to turn the hem, I'm first going to hem and then attach the entire sleeve. I think that's going to work out, right?
No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't hate me in the next life or the next one again. Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off.
So I made sure that my corners are nice and sharp, as you can see, and this is the other side as well. So now I'm just going to press everything in place at the hem and then come back and attach my sleeve and then overlock it, and I'll be done.
But really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door, straight through the wall. Baby, could you please make the sound? I'm not in a fire, we can make it worth the while. Get up, get drunk. If not, I might cry.
The jacket is done, and before I show you how exactly it looks, I know you can see it from me wearing it. It is amazing, and I love the placement of all the patterns and the fabrics. Honestly, it hits me perfectly where I wanted it to, and I think I made me a perfect jacket. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and this is how the jacket looks.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever?